Creating an effective study room is essential for productivity and focus, whether you're a student, a professional working from home, or someone who enjoys a dedicated space for reading and learning. IKEA, known for its affordable and stylish furniture, offers a plethora of options to design a study room that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Focusing on furniture, organization, lighting, and decor to help you create the perfect study environment. Furniture selection. The foundation of any study room is its furniture. IKEA offers a wide range of desks, chairs, and storage solutions that cater to different needs and preferences. When selecting a desk, consider the size of your room and the type of work you'll be doing. For smaller spaces, the MICKE desk is an excellent choice due to its compact design and built-in cable management system. If you require more workspace, the Decor series offers larger desks with adjustable heights, promoting ergonomic comfort. Chairs are equally important for maintaining good posture and comfort during long study sessions. The Marcus swivel chair is a popular choice, offering adjustable height and lumbar support. For a more budget-friendly option, the Flintan chair provides comfort and style without breaking the bank. Organization and storage. A clutter-free environment is crucial for concentration. IKEA's storage solutions help keep your study room organized and tidy. The Kallax shelving unit is versatile and can be used to store books, files, and decorative items. Its modular design allows you to customize the layout according to your needs. For smaller items, the Scottish pegboard system is perfect for organizing stationery and accessories, keeping them within easy reach. Drawer units like the Alex series are ideal for storing documents and supplies. They fit neatly under most desks, maximizing space efficiency. Additionally, the Ruskog utility cart can be used as a mobile storage solution, allowing you to move your essentials around the room as needed. Lighting. Proper lighting is essential in a study room to reduce eye strain and create a conducive atmosphere for work. IKEA offers a variety of lighting options to suit different preferences. The Tertial work lamp is a classic choice with an adjustable arm and head that allows you to direct light where it's needed most. For ambient lighting, the Fado table lamp provides a soft glow, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Consider using LED bulbs, such as the Riot series, which are energy efficient and provide bright, clear light. Additionally, incorporating natural light by positioning your desk near a window can enhance your mood and productivity. Decor and personalization. Personalizing your study room can make it a more enjoyable and inspiring place to work. IKEA offers a range of decor items that can add character and warmth to your space. The Feka artificial plants bring a touch of greenery without the need for maintenance, while the Björk-style wall art can add color and personality to your walls. Consider using the Moslanda picture ledges to display photos, artwork, or motivational quotes. These ledges are easy to install and allow you to change your decor frequently without damaging the walls. Adding a rug, such as the Lohals flat woven rug, can also enhance the comfort and aesthetic of your study room. Conclusion. Designing a study room with IKEA products offers a blend of functionality, style, and affordability. By carefully selecting furniture, organizing your space, ensuring proper lighting, and adding personal touches, you can create a study environment that enhances productivity and comfort. Whether you have a small corner or a dedicated room, IKEA's versatile solutions can help you make the most of your space, turning it into a haven for learning and creativity.